Hi everyone, I am Fiona. Today, we are conducting a continuous trial run of 10 EPS panels for this EPS tongue and groove cutting machine, which is scheduled to be exported to the United States. We have also invited the customer to participate in the test and carry out the acceptance inspection on site. Now, let's begin the formal test. Our engineer, Mr. Zhao, will demonstrate the actual operation of the machine. After starting the machine, press the start button on the touchscreen. We then place 10 panels into the panel storage system at one time. After aligning the panels using the positioning device on the left, press the start button. The storage system begins conveying the panels and pushes them one by one from the bottom upward into the left grooving and right tonguing stations. All cutting stations are equipped with flow rails, upper pressure rollers, and guide rails to effectively prevent lateral movement and ensure stable conveying during the cutting process. Dust extraction pipes and fans are also installed beside the cutting tools to collect most of the dust generated during milling into the dust collection bags. After the first process is completed, the panels move to the dimpling station. This station consists of two rollers, a dimpling roller at the bottom and a pressure roller at the top. As the panels pass between the two rollers, evenly distributed dimples are pressed onto the back surface. For demonstration purposes, the two rollers are currently exposed. Safety guards will be installed before shipment. The panels are then conveyed to the final process, the top grooving station. This station is equipped with 24 milling cutters, arranged in 2 rows of 12 cutters each. The 2 rows are staggered to produce evenly distributed grooves on the top surface of the panels. A dust extraction system is also installed above the milling cutters to collect most of the dust generated during the grooving process. After completing all 3 processes, the panels are conveyed to the final non-powered conveyor, where the finished panels can be manually arranged. If required, this section can also be connected to other conveyors or a palletizing system according to the customer's production needs. Once all 10 panels have been processed, simply press the stop button on the touchscreen to stop the machine. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.